Hi, Stephen. Hope you guys are doing well. I enjoyed your clip from the park. It's looking still pretty winter there. Whereas here, I think spring is in the air, finally. Um, let's see. We're still keeping really busy with language learning. Back into that full tilt. And been working. I told you last week about the newsletter design for Romania. I've been working on that still, and I've got to try to finish that up today, hopefully. One of our coworkers just had a whole plane adventure. So the nearest international airport is a 3.5 hour or so drive away to Budapest. And he got there, and they turned him away from the flight because his passport expired in less than 6 months. So not only did he not was he unable to take his flight, but he had to take the 3.5 hour bus ride back to here, and then do it again, like get a new passport and then still go in time for the trip. So, wow, tough situation for him. Very unfortunate. This past week we celebrated my 30th birthday. So that was cool. We had a big cake and had a really nice time. We played the bomb defusing game I told you about. So I have clips of that. The cake was a 4-layer cake with caramel filling and white chocolate cream cheese icing. It was about 8 inches high. It was pretty awesome. I had a good time making it. Yeah, we had an excellent time with that. That was a lot of fun. Let's see. Other clips this week, we have Ezra taking apart his first mechanical pen. Like, we're sitting at the table talking, and we look up, and there he's disassembled the entire pen, and it's in pieces all the table. We're like, wow, how did you even do that? And hide and seek, and some pictures of spring in Romania, and we'll see what else I can find to throw in here. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. We're kind of hanging in here. We're looking forward to getting back to the U.S. for a little while. We feel very at home here, but at the same time, it'll be nice to see family and be able to drive to the grocery store. So, and we're also really looking forward to UND. UND is always a lot of fun. So, anyway, okay. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you on Monday. Ezra, what did you do with Daddy's pen?
I did painting.
Did you take it apart?
Yes. And I gonna paint your smile.
You're gonna paint me a smile? Can you put Daddy's pen back together, please? Can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
I can paint.
He can paint, but...
Can you put my pen back together?
You know why he did it? Because he doesn't know how to...
So, snack of the week this week is Semtex Explosive Energy Drink. Pretty cool packaging. I basically couldn't resist. It's basically Red Bull, but awesome package. Thought you'd appreciate it. Ready or not, here I come. Where's Ezra and Mommy? I hear them. Where could they be? Are they in the cabinet? Nope. Are they under the clothes rack? No. Where could they be? I think I see something moving. I found one!
Mommy.
He wants to play hide and seek. Okay. One of the 4 color buttons will flash. Use the correct table below. Press the button with the listening here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Say again. What do you have?
Yellow is flashing.
Yellow is flashing. So,
Yellow flash?
the original button will flash followed by another. So, push the yellow one? I don't understand.
No, here, yellow flash. First twice, then push green.
Push
Oh,
green?
okay. Okay.
No. Push red! Wait, but now it's the second try because I messed it up. I hit the green.
Okay, blue.
But it's yellow flash.
It's yellow.
Oh,
is
serial
flashing.
number.
Oh, does it have a serial number?
Right click on the bomb and then
Yeah,
push the button.
it's 0V0ST3.
S23. Here,
Oh!
press red.
Press red?
No, we have a straight now. Green.
Okay,
Yeah.
now it's
straight.
yellow, green.
Yellow, green. What is it?
Stop!
Yellow, green. I don't know. What happens?
The
I don't know what I do.
original button will flash, followed
So
by
I hit
another.
green
Exactly.
and then what?
Repeat the same sequence in order using the color mapping.
Yellow.
Press blue.
Yellow,
Oh,
green.
yellow, green,
Yeah.
red. No, red. Yellow,
Which one
green,
is it?
red,
Oh
blue.
my gosh.
No pressure.
Mommy's getting cake. I think it's coming in here pretty soon.
La mulți cu sănătate, să-ți dea Domnul tot ce-ți dorești, zile senine și fericire, la mulți ani să trăiești. Cine să trăiască, cine să